Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And it's in the additional, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, October the 21st, 2023. It's actually today's Sunday, and I've told you earlier in the weekend edition in this weekend we have no extra puzzles, only the puzzle page. So on Sunday I have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition, Friday, October the 20th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles left. Yes, the letter Sudoku and the 0-star Sudoku. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Yes, and this one will be number 7317. 7317. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. 17. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 17. Of course, it's indicated with a 1-star. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Do we have here dual box? I see here dual box, there dual box, here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is here already filled in, so that box should be a 1 then. Here also 1 and a 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. More dual boxes? No. Then the triple boxes. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? Cannot see any triple boxes here. Then the following question, the quadra boxes. Then I see here one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4, and this quadra box should be here. Alright, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And yeah, could be everywhere. Do we have more quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes. Shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. For example, the first shape is the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box, oh wait, in this case, it's a 4 here, alright. But also in this T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, this one, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here another T shape. Also rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. 3 T shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. It's a 4 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, so 1 digit left in this dual box for number 1 then. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only one. Only one. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that look, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximal 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be a 4. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes. And there, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. And now, well, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. Yeah. Let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I marked this box with 1 or a 2. Well, it can't be a 2 anymore. It should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Cannot fill this. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. And these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, and can be a 5. You have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So only one digit left, should be the 3. Alright. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So one digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. Then this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Oh, we have a 3 and a 5 left in this area. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. Then... well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright, I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes. And then we go up. Alright, let me see, 1 and a 5, okay, then, let me see, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape, should be here, so 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. But we already have a 2 here. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 2. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final two numbers in this T-shaped area from us 3 and 2. 2 and 3, we have a 3 down, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star or a 0 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku, yes. You hate it or you love it, the Samurai Sudoku, because it will take you more than an hour to solve. And my goal is to solve this within an hour. So see you in the evening later on. And have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.